Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Lover channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. Now the first thing that you have to do is go to your settings app. From here, scroll down and then tap on accessibility, and then from here go to advanced settings. Now from here tap on flash notification, and here you will see two types of flash notification. One is camera flash and the other one is screen flash. Now if I turn on the camera flash and then tap on preview, you can see that the camera flash is flashing. And then if we turn on the screen flash and then tap on preview, you can see that the screen is also flashing. And that is how you can turn on the flash notification on your A24. After that, if you want to turn them off, all you need to do is come to the same place and then just tap on these radio buttons here, and that will disable or turn off the flash notification on your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. And that is how you can turn on or turn off flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.